Are you tired of cleaning a greasy kitchen and putting up with food odors for days? Is it tiresome to keep up with the exhaust when you should just be focused on cooking? The Bosch Series 6 wall hood helps keep your kitchen odor-free while giving you peace of mind to focus on cooking.
I got tired of exhaust hoods where I constantly had to adjust the extraction power depending on what I was cooking. It just adds stress to the cooking process, having to watch what I'm cooking and making sure the hood is keeping up at the same time. I love the kitchen hood I have now because it basically runs on auto mode. It has a sensor that detects the smoke and odor levels, and it adjusts the suction to correspond with what I'm cooking. I can just focus on cooking and trust it to do the job. It saves me a whole lot of multitasking, and my kitchen always smells clean even after cooking.
I have an open concept kitchen, so I had to clean the exhaust hood quite often after cooking. With this Bosch wall hood, I just press a button and it runs a self-cleaning fan to get rid of kitchen odors. It really removes lingering smells very well. After running the fan for 10 minutes, it shuts down automatically. So I can just leave it to do its own thing. Super easy and no more dirty work for me.
With my old kitchen hood, I used to find myself wiping down kitchen countertops and cabinets after cooking because there's always some runaway grease splattered around. So I was really amazed when, after installing this Bosch hood, I don't seem to have to deal with the tedious cleaning each time after I cook a big meal. The filter in the hood is designed with multiple layers to absorb grease better. That's really proven to be effective because my kitchen is spared from all that oil residue after heavy cooking. It keeps the kitchen air clean, and I don't need to mop the floor after meals as I used to.
As someone who cooks a lot at home, I've learned from past experience that maintaining a kitchen appliance is as important as investing in the right one. So I do appreciate that not only is my kitchen hood great at dispelling exhaust and kitchen odors, it also keeps track to let me know when to clean or replace my filters. I mean, nobody likes a greasy kitchen or having to keep checking when to change filters. It's easy to take this for granted, but it's actually really important for hygiene and safety against fire hazards. Speaking of maintaining grease filters, I love that mine is dishwasher-safe. There's no need to cause a big splash everywhere when I'm washing it and ruin my nails with all that grease scrubbing. I just remove it, put it in the dishwasher, and ta-da! Job's done. The metal components are safe, it won't discolor, and it gets perfectly cleaned without a scratch.
You can count on the Bosch Series 6 wall hood to prescribe extraction levels according to your cooking, with powerful suction to keep the kitchen odor-free. With its sleek design, powerful suction, and quiet operation, you can enjoy peace of mind when cooking and experience the beauty, power, and reliability of German engineering in action every time.